Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Culinary Classics with us. So in today's video, we will be making a homemade tomato ketchup or tomato sauce. The ingredients required are a kg of tomatoes, half a lemon or a tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 cup of jaggery, a teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of red chili powder. Alright, the first step is to blanch our tomatoes. Now we have cut our tomatoes into quarters as you can see here, and you should do the same. We will now be adding these into our pressure cooker. Remember, while blanching tomatoes, you should only be using the sufficient amount of water. So for a kg of tomatoes, you will only need a cup of water. So as you can see here, we're adding the water in. And now we will be putting the lid onto our pressure cooker. So now we are going to put this on the flame on a high heat. Remember, we will only be keeping this on until 3 whistles go off. So after 3 whistles went off, this is how our blanched tomatoes will look. We will now strain them and we will use the collected water later. As for the blanched tomatoes, we will be pureeing them. Now, why is pureeing necessary, you may ask? Well, when we puree them, this will ensure that our tomato ketchup will be in a smooth and soft consistency, which is like your ketchups which you buy outside. So as you can see here, in order to puree them, we are putting them into our blender. And we will blend these until they are nice and smooth. So as you can see here, we are now blending them. Remember to puree them well, as you want your tomato ketchup to be nice and smooth. So after pureeing, there will still be some tomato seeds left and a little bit of skin. So we will strain this in order to get a silky tomato sauce. As you can see here, this is the excess tomato skin and seeds which you will have to discard. Alright, so this is the tomato sauce. Look at how smooth and silky it is. This is the consistency that you're going for. Alright, now it's time to start making our tomato ketchup. Take your kadai and put it on a medium to high flame. To this we will be adding our tomato sauce. We will let this heat up for around 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, so now this is how it looks after heating up. To this we will be adding our 1 cup of jaggery. You can use sugar if you like, but jaggery is a much more healthier alternative. This will add sweetness into our ketchup. Now in order to make the ketchup a little bit hot, we will be adding a red chili powder. Make sure to incorporate this well into your sauce. Now, after mixing it well, we will be adding our salt. Salt is necessary as a ketchup is salt, sweet, tangy, so this is why we add in the salt. Alright, so to this we will be adding our collected water from the blanched tomatoes. This will ensure that the tomato sauce has a great flavor. Alright, it's time to cover this for around 3 to 4 minutes. So, we have covered it now, and after covering, this is how your tomato sauce will look. Now in order to make it tangy, we will be adding our lemon juice in. I've added half a lemon. Half a lemon is around a tablespoon. Alright, and now mix this well and let it sit for 10 minutes. Alright, so 10 minutes later, this is how our tomato ketchup will look. In order to make sure that it's thickened and ready, take a dollop onto a plate and switch the plate around. If it doesn't move like this, that means the tomato ketchup is ready. If it does, you need to heat it up for more time until it's thickened enough. Alright, so do try this recipe at home. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please share this video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in your next video. Bye!